Hi there, I'm Paul Collins. I'm one of the co-founders of SkillsTX and here to introduce you to the SFIA self-assessment experience and what you can expect once you've gone through the surveys and completed your self-assessment. So it all starts with this registration page. It's probably where you access this video from. Fill in the details on the right hand side of the page, and when you're ready, click continue. This reason for the self-assessment is quite important, just for your own guidance. I'm going to select that it's for career development planning. Of course, you can use it for many other reasons, as you can see. So I'm just going to register. Then we get the confirmation page. This confirmation page has got access to a tutorial, the overview of how to go through a self-assessment. Only lasts a couple of minutes, and a link to that video is also available in the invite, which will have been sent to your email address with the hyperlink to your surveys. So watch that, go through the surveys, and then once you've completed, you'll be offered the opportunity to create an account in the system. And assuming that I've already been through those surveys, you'll have a page that looks like this. A few things to point out. Across the top of the page is access to our learning management system. You can enroll for free. There's a lot of free training courses. Some of them have a small cost where a badge is being issued, but they're mainly free. We also have a scheme whereby an assessor can issue you with SFIA credentials or badges, and details for that are here. And to keep up to date with news about SFIA, the industry, SkillsTX, obviously you can click the news button. There are 4 pages available to you when you first set up your skill profile. So obviously the skill profile itself, which is a representation of the surveys you completed. Action plan we'll look at shortly, evidence to load evidence to support the skills you've got, and a notes page just to keep notes. So the key to this is following these steps, 1, 2, 3. We strongly advise that the first time you log in, you review the skills that you selected. So you can see a little bit of a description here and even a link to a training course that we think will be useful. If I click on number 1, it will take me into edit mode, allow me to look at what I selected, and then I can adjust accordingly. Maybe remove some I shouldn't have included, maybe find some that I missed. So very straightforward to keep your skills up to date, and you'll be doing that as skills come and go. The other thing we have is hundreds of sample jobs. So if we click the number 2 here, this is a list of all of the jobs that we've got in the system. There's over 650 of them. The percentage that you see there is based on my skills and how they compare with the skills required in the jobs. So a very quick way of understanding which ones might be suitable. They are samples, of course, not real jobs. But if you want to be a big data specialist, you can select that as your preferred current job. And if in the future you maybe want to be a cybersecurity trainer, you can select that as your future job and just click Save Changes. What the system has now done, it's loaded those jobs in to my user. I can visually look at how my skills compare just by selecting the job here, and you can see the traffic light indicators telling me where my skills match and where they don't. If I click option 3 here, this takes me into the action plan. The system will now do a gap analysis between my skills and the required skills. So there's 2 skill gaps here. I can click look at the description, and then if I hit the plus button, I can go do a little bit of research, maybe even use ChatGPT to see if there's any training out there that will address this particular skill, and I can just create an action, and the system will remind me if I miss a target date, etc., that I have an outstanding action. So the idea is that you're creating and completing actions all the time, so pretty straightforward. The system will send you reminders from time to time, and then, as I said, you keep this up to date. You'll see your percentage increase as your skills are a closer match to the actual job, and that obviously is a good baseline to help you develop your career. So have fun. It's a completely free system. Enjoy the use of it. It's there for life, and hopefully it will help you in your digital profession career development. Thanks for watching.